In this video, I'll be teaching you about area and unit squares. So if you have a problem like this one that says the shape is made up of unit squares, what is the area of the shape? So one square is one unit square and it has an area of 1. So we can add up how many we have. So we could see that there's 1 unit square, 2 unit squares, 3 unit squares, 4 unit squares, 5 unit squares. So this has 5 unit squares, which is the same as saying this has an area of 5. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Just rewatch the video and it'll make sense after you watch it maybe 1 or 2 more times.